Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting precisely where the lock should begin, because Excel freezes everything to the left of the active cell. Click the column header to pick that column, then select the cell immediately to the right in row 1 if you want one column frozen. Once done, make sure your view is normal so Excel applies freezing correctly. You do this first, because the freeze reference is positional. Without the right active cell, you'll freeze the wrong area. You now apply the actual freeze. This is where the why matters. Open the View tab and click Freeze Panes. Excel offers two useful choices. If you only need the very first column fixed, pick Freeze First Column for a one-click solution. For any other column, use Freeze Panes. Excel will lock all columns to the left of your active cell. This locks headers and keeps reference data visible as you scroll. It's essential for comparing wide datasets without losing context. You finish by confirming the freeze works correctly and knowing how to fix it if not. Scroll right and make sure the chosen column remains visible while others move. That proves success. If you need to remove the lock, go to View Right Arrow Freeze Panes, Right Arrow Unfreeze Panes, adjust your active cell, and reapply as needed. If Excel froze the wrong area, it usually means the active cell was mispositioned. Undo, reposition, and freeze again to correct the reference quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.